style. Believe it or not, I bought this a long time ago at Target, and this is by Garnier Fruity Style. It smells very good, it smells very fresh, and it is not an expensive product, but my friend, it does the job. It does what it says it's supposed to do, and it really smooths your hair, makes your hair very silky. It's very creamy, as you see, it's very creamy. So you want to distribute everything. See, right away my hair is much smoother, and you do want to do to the other side, because you see the thickness of your hair is not going to carry from one side to the other. So if you bring your hair from one side, you need to really distribute on your hand, and then you see, yes, you want this to be nice and smooth. And the bangs, you see how nice and smooth. You can get the volume, but what you want to do is you want to decrease that frizzy and that too much of, you know, frizziness. And so you wanted to get rid of all that. And this product not only does the job, smooth out your hair, it also brings your hair, give your hair a lots of shine. I will link this because this is by Garnier and it's Fruity Style, and you can actually find this, I'm sure, on Amazon, and you can find this everywhere, but it really works. So if you don't want to spend too much money on hair product, there are lots of products out there that are not as expensive, and they do the job. So today we are going to be doing a bow because this is summer, so we wanted to comb your hair, make your hair very smooth. And you can make a bow. You can make a bow as low as you want, but because I'm showing you how to do it, I will need to make it higher so you can't see, otherwise it would be too difficult to see the process and the results. So we always want to use a crunchy, and these are very good because you see the material. This is satin, so this is very good for your hair. It doesn't break your hair, and it holds your hair in place. Now they have all kinds of size. They have a large one, they have small one. I use the largest one because my hair is a little thick, but you can't find any style, any thickness. All decreases the thickness. You can see it online, and I also will link this. So we want to put a little bit more, because I really want lots of control. So this is how you're going to do it. You divide your hair in two. Since you have a product on your hands, you want to smooth out, okay? And then you may want to take a barrette, something like that, just to hold it like that. because you want to make sure this is also as smooth as the other one. So you want to make sure you have a lot of product in here. You want this to be very smooth. So you want to take it off. And then this is very easy. Take the piece of your hair and then put your hand like this with your thumb and wrap it over, okay? So you have that. So you have that first bow right here. The second one is you're going to take it over, use your finger, take it over, 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 and then look in here. You're going to take it from under and you have your nice bow. But you want to make sure, the most important is you want to make sure to have a very smoothing product, because if the hair is not smooth, it's going to be too amplified. It's not going to be looking smooth. So then you can arrange your bow the way you want. You can secure like this to put it on the front, like that. And we're gonna smooth in here a little bit more, because we want smooth. So we want to put this in half in here, and so how you smooth, use that smoothing, close your eyes. This is nice for summer. This is very good for summer. You see? Now spray it a little bit. Then you have your bow. Put a little lipstick on. This is a lip gloss. And you are ready to go. This is a very good. This is fun. You can put a nice barrette in the back in here. Just like that. You see I have a t-shirt and a short. And this is a very good style for any age. You don't have to be 16 to dress or to have this. It is fun, it has class, it has elegance, and it is so nice for summer. Okay?